Assalamualaikum. In this video, we will discuss what is software testing fundamental. Fundamental means basics. In this video, we will study the software testing basics. How to test a software. Firstly, we study that what is the software testing. The process of evaluating and verifying that software application must meet the system year specific requirements and it's free of defect. It means that supposed to be the customer or user give you requirements. You have to check that whether the created software must fulfill the requirements or not. If it fulfill the requirements and is free of error, then it will be the software testing. Now we do not only check the requirements, we also check that whether is are defect free or not. Okay, here are the two objectives of that software testing, that is key objectives, that is defect detection, defect prevention, user specification. What is the defect detection? Detect mean to find something, that is defect. In this video, in this objective, we can study that how to detect an error or bug in the following app or following software, identify fixed defects or bugs in the software before it released to users. Okay, understood. Define defect prevention. What is the defect prevention? Prevention means to prevent from something. Be in this defect prevention, we can say that implementation process that prevent defect from occurring in first place, enhancing the overall development process. Okay, it enhance overall development process. Okay, but it check if an error occur. This check whether the error is present in it and it debug it. Okay, now the next is user specification. I tell you firstly that we meet the user requirements. Now we will see that whether the user requirements will fulfilled or not. Requirements be fulfilled or not, हम यहाँ पे इंश्योर करेंगे. What are the types of testing? Here are two types of testing, that is manual testing and automation testing. In manual testing, we do not write and use any script. It will be cleared best if we study the functional testing and non-functional testing. Functional testing, basically it's a type of testing that validates the system against the functional requirements. It based on the requirements of users. Okay, then the non-functional requirements is based on the performance, whether the developed software or app run fastly or not, or according to our planning or procedure. We check its performance in non-functional testing and we check its requirements in functional testing. Okay, no, we do not use any script in the manual testing. Okay, in this type we can say that tester takes over the role of end user and tests the software to identify an expected behavior or bug. We do not use any script, but we check that whether it has an bug or not. We check its behavior, whether it is running efficiently or not. In automation testing, we will simply check whether we rerun the following procedure that we do in manual testing. Okay, we will simply check it whether it is debugged, has no bug in it. We will rerun its test scenarios, whether it quickly run or repeatedly. Okay, what is the here are the two types of automation testing, that is verification and validation. Verification ensure that the requirements, the software meet the requirements correctly. Okay, requirements correctly. software meet the requirements correctly. But in validation, we can say that it confirm the software fulfill and intended purpose meet user need. Okay, it based on the user's need, what the user want. Basically, the verification is for the requirements and validation for its efficiency. Okay, may this lecture reach you well. Now we will discuss why we use software testing. What is the importance of software testing? Importance. No, first one importance is its quality assurance. Now we will see that we repeatedly check debugging issues or running issues in the following testing, so there is no quality assurance issues in it. So the quality is assured in this software testing. No cost efficiency. Identifying and fixing issues in the development process reduces the cost. Okay, risk migration. If we check it repeatedly, then there is no risk chances that will occur when user use it. Okay, then is the reputation management. If we create software efficiently, then there will be the reputation in the market will be good, or the it will manage the reputational management. If we create the work best, then our reputation will be increased in our market. Okay, may this lecture reach you well. If you have an error or if you have any query, you can mention me in comment section. I will respond you.